Be honest, how many times have you checked your phone in last 1 hour? Just to see a notification, a typing sign or something from their end. Just to satisfy your need to know that your manifestation rituals are working. But every time you see an empty screen, your heart sinks. You question yourself, even your manifestation rituals are working, or are you being delusional? Today I am going to show you how to handle the 3D lag so that you can stop obsessing over your desire and start receiving them. This is video 2 or day 2 of the 7 days videos that I am creating on mirror principle. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with ShivaMod. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, engage in some form so that it helps me. Also, one more thing, if you like me to create any subliminals or affirmation tapes, let me know in the comment section below which topics you want me to create for and I'll do it. Now let's get into the video. Here's a secret that I want to share with you today. Everything that you can see in your physical world or touch or read, your phone, everything, it is a shadow. Think about this: when you stand in the sun and you wave your hand, a shadow is created and it waves back, correct? But if you really notice, there's a tiny split-second difference between when you are waving the hand and the shadow being created. Your life works the same way. You have shifted internally with the mirror technique, which we learned in my last video, but the 3D is still showing you who you have been for the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or for a longer period of time. Your dominant self. If you get mad that the shadow is being slow, you are entangling yourself with the past and therefore recreating similar situations in your life. Let me make it even simpler with an example. When you order something and you get a confirmation number and on the app it is showing that your order is being prepared, what do you do next? Do you stand on your door and start crying, "Where is your order?" every 60 seconds? Not really. Or do you call to the shop asking if your order is being prepared every 60 seconds? Of course not. You're not doing any of it. What you're doing is you are chilling in the meantime, watching TV or doing your work, because you are rest assured that your order has been placed and it is coming to you in the meantime. In manifestation, you doing the inner work, you shifting your identity, you doing the mirror work is you placing the order. And the 3D lag is just your order being prepared. Right now, your order is out for delivery. But every time when you show up as your anxious self, you shift your energy. You are shifting to the version who is waiting, who is not sure if he or she is the one who already has the desire. You are actually calling to the shop and asking to cancel the order because you are scared that you are not going to receive it. Stop canceling your own happiness. Your mission with this day 2 video is to self-soothe and know that your order is out for delivery. Every time when you check your phone and there's no text from your specific person, do not spiral with the thoughts like they don't love me, they don't care, because those thoughts will create similar feeling and they will trigger you. But in those moments, self-soothe yourself. Be with those feelings for a minute and then ask yourself, who am I being? I am being the one who is chosen. I can only see the version of myself who is chosen right here, right now. And tell yourself, my order is prepared and it is out for delivery. When you do this enough times, when you soothe yourself with affirmations and telling yourself that everything is fine and your manifestation is coming to you, it shifts your attention from the energy of lack to the energy of the version who already has it, to a more calmer version of yourself. The 3D lag is where 90% of the people give up on their dreams, but you are still here. You are proving that you are a match to your desires. That 3D lag does not bother you, or you are doing something to handle the 3D lag. My mission with this video was to share a perspective on how to see the 3D time lag. Not as a demon, but something as a necessary part of our life and our manifestation journey. In my next video, which is the day 3 video, I am going to share with you the nighttime mirror blueprint. This is a technique to reprogram your subconscious mind so that it can do the heavy lifting while you are sleeping. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding the 3D time lag. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.